In today's video, we're going to be taking the next few minutes to see how Sage Intacct for Construction provides its users with that necessary tools to get the information they need to get the job done right. By leveraging dashboards, Sage provides you the insight to help monitor all aspects of your business. You can create as many dashboards as you like and even tailor them to specific functions or roles in your organization. So these custom dashboards are really made up of three major components. First, you have our performance cards. These are also our KPIs, or essentially a specific metric added on that you would want to be able to see at a glance, whether that is project profit margin, new jobs this month, or even maybe our operational expenses. The second major component are going to be your charts, graphs, which typically gives us a visual representation of key data you might want to be able to see. Whether that is a contracted amount, again, profit margin, or even something like the project cost estimate versus actual. What do we bid out the job? Where do we currently sit at? The last major component type is going to be your traditional or standard reports. These typically give each of the users that highest level of visibility into whatever they're looking at or viewing it. In the case we see on screen, we're going to be looking at a project overview, which tells us all of those key functionalities of contracted amount, how much have we estimated that project at, but also what have we billed out to date, what does it cost us today. With all of these major components that Intacct has into those dashboards, it also gives us this capability to drill into specific data we want to see. As I click the total cost field, I can expand on that to see the general ledger report to see all of the costs associated with the project, as well as if I wanted to drill into a specific bill, which a project manager may have a question on, I can click that hyperlink, taking us directly to the specific bill. As I expand this out, you can see here's the contents of the bill, and pending that each of those users have the rights, up in the top you can make any edits or changes that you may have permissions to be able to do so. Now that we have gone down, seen how the layout of each of these dashboards can be created, how we can drill down into the specific or the components of any of those reports, KPIs, charts. Now I want to go over some of the filtering options that these dashboards will provide to you. So as you see in this top level view, top level essentially is giving me a consolidation report of all of these entities underneath it in one easy to view menu. As I drill into one of those entities, I am able to see the details or that same dashboard that we've created, but now the details behind it have changed to reflect that one entity. As we go over to this toolbar ribbon, you can see I can also now take it the next step further by even going back to historical dates, or even being able to see the different departments that we've created, whether that is our service, mill, or construction jobs, and be able to filter off of that information without having to run a completely separate report or bouncing back and forth between multiple menus. To see more ways of how Intacct can help you and your organization out, or even get a personalized demonstration of the Intacct platform, please feel free to contact myself, your account manager, or even the information on screen.